Good afternoon, everybody. So I am welcoming Mr. Varadarajan sir, We Empower Academy, Education Training and Consultancy, and he did his MSc, MBA, Chief Empowerment Officer and Mentor, Trainer, Selling and Soft Skills, Consultant, Marketing and Business, Member, Toastmasters Incorporation, a very good speaking academy, USA and as well as in MMA Chennai. I welcome you here for the wonderful session.
Thank you. Good afternoon, young ladies and young gentlemen. Young ladies. Okay. I have just come back from lunch. Excellent lunch, heavy lunch, sumptuous lunch, delicious lunch. So he has given me this punishment to stand here and talk. You guys are lucky that you are sitting, and probably you had your lunch 2 hours early, 2 hours before. So you already slept in the previous class.
No, sir.
You should have slept.
No, sir.
In front of your professor, you will say always no. You should have slept. If you have not slept, you don't sleep now. That your sleeping time is over. That was in the previous class. Okay. When you are writing an examination, you have competition, right? And that is only on paper. You'll get some degree, you'll get some CGPA, you'll get some interview calls, sit in the interview, fail in the interview, and you say, I got 9 CGPA, I did not get the job. How will you get the job? They are not looking at 9 CGPA, they are looking at 5 CGPA, but 9 competency. What is competency? CGPA is no matter for them. You get the entry into the gate of the interview hall. After that, at 9, 8, 5, 6, no value. Take it from me. I am not discouraging the bright students here. There will be only few bright students, I know. Most of us will be like me only. So there will be only few bright students. Don't take it to heart. And especially for the bright students, I want to say that you have to come out of the box and think like an entrepreneur. Okay? So, sir introduced about me in very nice words. I have nothing much to say about me. Although I have a lot of things that I have committed a lot of mistakes and I have learned through mistakes, and I should not say mistakes. There is another good word for that. Lesson from failures. That's how I will be. And I'm telling you this, we are going to have an interactive session. Because I don't want you to sleep. You are in which year? Second year? First year?
First year.
Oh, you are very fresh from school into college, right? And today, on the first session of your college, in the first year of your college or school, you are going to interact on a topic which is a vast area. And the topic is all about entrepreneurship. But what is there on the screen?
Startup.
So, startup. What is startup?
Beginning.
Beautiful. Beginning. Wonderful. What is other synonyms? No synonyms. What is the other words like we can be related to startup? Initiate. Start the motor. Right? Seed. Absolutely. You're doing something, it is going to get into some other form. We do not know, but we are hopeful it will get into a great form and will be helpful for the ourselves as well as for the society. Absolutely great inputs from you people. So I can close the session. Close all these slides are not important for you because we have all the answers on what we are going to discuss today. I'm joking. Okay, this is me. This is me, and that's the reason I put that picture there. That is not my picture, photograph. Oh, similar. I was looking similar to this when I was small, but unfortunately, it is not my photograph. Okay, so this is what is startup. Enjoy. Just be on your own. Just expand your thoughts. Don't worry about failure or obstacles. Just get into it. If you are do we have to go with some definitions and this is only for your you can get this from any website. No big deal. I had to put it on a slide because in one of the sessions I finished the session and I said, any questions? After 10-15 minutes one person is standing. Sir, why did you not use any slides? Why no PPT? I said, you have a power and you have the point, but the PPT doesn't have any power, it doesn't have any point. So I did not use that. Because nowadays, PPT is considered to be a bad language. Okay? Avoid using PPTs. And if you are forced to use PPTs, restrict to 2 or 3 slides. Challenge for every one of us. Because we will have so many things to display, nothing to say. People are here waiting for you to listen to what you say, not to see the PPT. You can get this, you can send it by email to everybody, no? Why have to stand here and deliver that to in front of people, right? This can be sent by email. Right? So the purpose is to discuss very crucial points in this forum, right? Okay, so startup is an expression, somebody already defined it beautifully, more beautifully than what is there in the slide. Okay, so we'll run to this slide quickly. Now this is an important caption. Entrepreneurship is living a few years of your life like most people won't. Few years of your life which most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like most people can't. Please take this very seriously. And this is the slide which is going to give you that motivation. 4 lines, connect 9 dots, don't repeat the line, and don't remove your hand. You have to start from outside the box. Go inside. You don't have to worry about the 9 dots, but you have to worry about the 1/10 dot outside the box, and then start from there, connect everything. And if you see it takes about 3 seconds, or not even 3 seconds, to connect all the 9 dots with 4 lines. But you have to think out of the box to do that. Alright? So, thinking out of the box for a startup, is it necessary? It's a must? Is it a must?
Yes, sir.
Do you think without it, you cannot be a entrepreneur? Good entrepreneur, you
You
cannot.
can't be unique without them.
You cannot be unique. There are many businesses, startups, who defy this logic. Who are not like, I'm doing something very new. The same concept,
in a different manner.
same concept, same manner, in a different country. The geography is different, the customers are different, the dynamics is different. That is innovation. Flipkart. Amazon is in the US, same Flipkart is here, same concept, everything is the same. The technology, the brain is the same, but the market is different. So he has used that concept for a different geography for us, how we react or respond to that idea, that wonderful idea. And nobody could have done this. He has done it, Mr. Bansal. And that's why he is an entrepreneur, a unique person. Everyone is unique. Every brain is different. But how the brain is wired is different. Every brain is different and every brain wiring is also different. So you may have the same color, same height, same moustache, same specs, everything, height same, everything same, same name also, same family, doesn't mean same father, mother, but completely different. That's because we are wired differently. So what did Richard Branson say? He said, you don't learn to walk by following the rules. You learn by doing and failing over. Okay. You break the rules, you fail, you fall, get up. The one time you get up is more important than 10 times you've fallen down. Every time you fall, you have actually learned one bit more than the previous fall. That's how we say never give up, right? Never give up. That's the entrepreneurship. That's what the startup. You may have started something, you may have thought about something, you may have put it in practice, you may have invested some money, taken loan, done something, some work, invested had some people to join you, committed a lot of things to the customers, nothing happens. Things might change. They diversify. They get into different businesses and see that the overall basket of businesses is successful. Alright? Okay. This is some theory which you can just quickly go through and say characteristic of an entrepreneur are. You all have said this, so I'm not going to take too much of time to dwell on this. And this is one slide which will give you a lot of attributes for an entrepreneur or an enterprising person. What are the qualities that is needed in a person who is enterprising, who wants to do different, not only think different, but really do different. And action is more important than just talking. What are the benefits of an entrepreneur? I'm using pictures because it helps. I'm not putting a lot of words. This will remain your pictures have that great ability to retain in your brain. We do an entrepreneurs for job. We get satisfaction in doing that, right? A lot of satisfaction. We are on our own, and we are our own boss. Nobody can say come at 9, go at 5. You come at 9, but whether you go at 5 or not, that's how corporate works, right? You should come at 9, only then you'll get your salary in the month. But you should never go at 6. But here, you can start at 10 but go till 2 o'clock in the morning. Nobody is safe. That's all your planning. Ultimately, you are your own boss and you have. Okay? It's like giving birth to a child. And this sentence is really inspiring the women because there are a lot of women entrepreneurs coming up and making successful businesses. Okay? It's like giving birth to a child. The woman loves the child, overcomes the risk of life, and the entrepreneur's passion is something like this: risk of loss. So, write the idea, otherwise somebody will steal it. That's a myth. I have an idea. Oh, why should I say it to somebody? People will. In India, generally, they will copy and they will put their name and blow the trumpet and say, this is what I have done, this is what my thought is. Don't worry about that. Ultimately, the way you do it is more important than how others do it. So, hey, I'm a graduate. Is this the right time to get into entrepreneurship? Most of us have this question, isn't it? I'm a graduate. I don't want to join a job. I'll work for 5 years. There are so many graduates today who have a clear plan. You ask them, why are you doing engineering? I want to be an entrepreneur in 5 years. Oh my God. What is that direction you have? I want to start up an industry in leather. I want to do a BPO. I want to create an app. I want to do this because I know there is a gap and I am capable of creating something to fill that gap. So right now the seed is sown. And that seed is waiting to germinate because of the college education. 4 years of torture. When these 4 years are going to get over and when all my arrears are going to get over, and I'm going to go out and start something wonderful. Everyone is ready. There are people like that. That is called fire in the belly. And fire in the mind also. That I'm going to get this opportunity, I'm going to jump into it. I have already started discussing. I have already got ideas and I have already got the plan to execute. I'm looking for some money. I'll get that also. I have people who can fund me and help me. Only this 4 years of engineering is stopping me from getting into that. The minute these 4 years are over, that's why our education system has a lot of flaws. The first year of the engineering, some people ask, did you want to join engineering? 95% of the students say no. Then what? I wanted to do some literature. I wanted to get into some music, photography, this, that. Then why did you join engineering? My father pushed me. Somebody else pushed you. That's how it is. Okay, let's face it. Complete this 4 years, but wait and get out of it and do something. I am not asking you to do immediately after 4th year is over. Stop, pack your bags, put all the books aside, and say I'm going to start up something. You need to have some experience. Get into a company of your passion. Learn tricks. Get out. learn the trick, how they are doing it. Gets the finger dirty. Rub your fingers with some oil and they say, okay, now it feels warm, now it feels sticky, now it feels good, now it is dangerous. I know where to go, I know where not to go. Get that feeling. And then get it. It's called smart way of. It's not, okay? Action changes things. Words don't. Okay? Take that action. Take that. That's goal step. 5 questions to ask before starting a business. And this all, we all know each other. We all know, we'll get to know more. I'll skip this. Come automatically. This is good to see in a picture, but that the gap between this is not 3-4 inches. It is many years. Unless you are different, you'll be running only in one direction. You have to have the courage to detour and run in a different direction. And found, as somebody said, create a new path for yourself. It's wonderful to carry a bag. Look yourself as an entrepreneur, but it's risky. You have to tread very carefully. If you don't build your dream, somebody will use you to build their dream. If you don't become an entrepreneur, somebody will use your entrepreneurship to build his entrepreneur. I wish I could have done it. I will do it. It's what the entrepreneur is. He has an idea, a plan, and just one. Maybe very small idea. That is the clinch. Nobody has thought about it. That is the gap between somebody doing something and somebody else doing something. There is a gap in between. And on what is network? Network.
What total value?
Correct. The value in money sense. Actually. Net worth is generally commercial area.